The best way to learn a language is to live it. That's exactly what we are going to do today. My friend and I are leaving my hometown and riding all the way to Lucknow. Along the way, we'll pass through villages, ride across open highways, stop at local places, and experience everyday English together. If you're learning English, don't worry about understanding every word. Just enjoy the journey, listen carefully, and let English come to you naturally. So, matlab, put on your helmet. Let's hit the road. So now we are about to be on the road. So now we are on the road. Look at the cows. They are eating grass in the field. And look over there. That is sky and that is sun. So Matlub is the rider. It means he is riding the bike. And I am sitting on the back seat. So he is the rider and I am sitting on the back seat. You can see this is very beautiful around the road. So it is very clean because it's rainy season, and in rainy season you will find some green plants, green trees and green fields. So I can say we are going along the road. We use along when we say we are moving in a straight line, in a straight direction. So we are going along the road. So this is a bag and this is a helmet. So he is wearing a helmet. And let me also tell you, these are wires passing through electricity poles. So these are electricity poles. This is a vehicle there just went past me. This is a car. That is a tree. That is a tree. And this is also a tree. This is also a tree. Look at here. Those are the photos. So now we are on highway. As you can see, it's blinking. So we need to fill the tank now. So we are going to a petrol pump to fill the tank. So he is about to turn right because the petrol pump is on the right side. So he is turning right now. So now as you can see, the petrol is being filled in the tank. So he is filling the petrol inside this tank. We are behind this pickup and now Matlub is going to overtake that pickup. Let's see if Matlub can overtake or not. So we have overtook the pickup. Can you see this e-rickshaw is coming on the wrong side. Matlub is riding the bike. Let me open his bag. So I am going to unzip his bag and let's see what's inside the bag. I have got a debit card. It's a debit card. From my hometown, Lucknow is about 70 kilometers and it takes around 1 hour to reach Lucknow if we go at the speed of 70 kilometers per hour. So let's see when we are going to reach Lucknow. As you can see, that is a petrol pump. So we can fill our tanks there at petrol pump.
And let me tell you a secret. I love to sit on the back seat and enjoy the scenery. So I am just enjoying the view.
As you can see, there is a toll plaza ahead, but we are going by bike, so for bike there is no toll, so we don't need to go through those lanes. We can take this lane. So for bike, for e-rickshaw, there is no toll, so we can just pass this toll plaza for free. But those vehicles like that one and all those vehicles have to pay money to cross this toll plaza. This is a toll plaza. Matlab, blow the horn and overtake that e-rickshaw. So he is blowing the horn and he is going to overtake that e-rickshaw. There is a flag and now we are going to it's not a bridge, it's a flyover. So now we are on the flyover. We are on the top of the flyover now, and you can see the scenery, and that is as this is Lucknow. These are houses and some shops. This is a bus. This is a bus. Let me tell you, I'm wearing a shirt. Matlub is wearing a t-shirt. So he is wearing a t-shirt and I'm wearing a shirt. So this is a shirt and this is my mic. This mic now is being recorded on this mic. These are street lights. These are street lights. Do you know what's that? I think that's a tower and it's meant to provide internet for network to surrounding area. So that is a tower meant for providing internet. We are going at the speed of 40 and now Matlub is going to accelerate the bike. So he is accelerating the bike and now we are at the speed of 60 km per hour. As you can see, this is a fruit vendor. Let's look at the sunset. How beautiful it is. Look at the sunset. The sun is about to set. The sun is about to set. So this truck is carrying food. So this is food loaded on this truck. Can you count the wheels on this truck? I don't think if I can. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't think I can count the wheels on this truck. If you can count the wheels on this truck, do comment. I'll check that out. We are behind this pickup. Now we are ahead of this pickup. And that pickup is behind us. We are about to reach Lucknow. And Lucknow is around 5 to 6 kilometers away from here. So we are about to reach
driver who is driving this car, but Matlub is riding the bike. So he is called a rider, and who drives the car is called as driver. So after about 1.5 hours, we have finally reached Lucknow. Let me show you some beauty of Lucknow. This building is being constructed. So it is not ready as of now, it is being constructed. So this building is being constructed. This is a marriage lawn. That is a temple over there. That is a temple. That is a mall. So finally we have reached Lucknow, and it's not day anymore, it's night. It's around 7:13 p.m. and we are thinking of watching a movie now. Let's see which movie I'm going to watch. Can you suggest a movie? So now I'm going to give directions to Matlub. Matlub, go ahead and turn right. So he is going ahead and then he will turn right. Now he is turning right. He has turned right. And go ahead now and turn left. So he is going ahead and now he will turn left. Left side. He is turning left now. So right now we are relaxing in a park. That is a fountain, and beside me is Matlub. So Matlub is thinking something. What are you thinking, Matlub?
I'm not thinking,
You're not thinking.
but I will go.
Where will you go?
I will go mall.
Where will you go?
Mall.
Mall.
Yeah.
Why do you want to go a mall?
I watching movie.
I watching movie or I will watch a movie?
I will watch movie.
Which movie will you watch?
एक हॉलीवुड की मूवी कोई आई है, क्या नाम है?
I don't know, but there are many Hollywood
बहुत
movies
बड़ी-
nowadays. Like
Nolan
actually,
movie.
there are two famous movies right now. One is by Christopher Nolan and another
Yeah,
Christopher Nolan, and another one is by the Spider-Man.
Yeah, Spider.
So which one would you watch?
Spider-Man आएगी.
Will you watch Spider-Man?
No.
Which one
Nolan
will you watch?
movie. Nolan movie.
Nolan?
Yeah.
Who is Nolan? Christopher Nolan.
Yeah. Director.
Okay. So don't you like Spider-Man?
I like this Spider-Man, but आज नहीं आ रही, कल आ रही है.
Okay. Okay. So Spider-Man will release tomorrow, right?
Yeah, tomorrow release.
Okay. Have you watched the previous parts of Spider-Man?
Yeah, of course.
Almost.
Yeah.
Are you excited about it? Do you know the ending of the
But
previous part of the
I'm
Spider-Man?
not excited.
Do you know the ending of the Spider-Man? Of the previous
Very
part?
small, very emotional.
What was the ending?
Ending is girlish death.
Girl's death?
Yeah.
No. I hope you like the video. Subscribe for more English learning content.